guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm just showing you me unboxing the Morovan PolyGel nail kit that I purchased from Amazon. This is everything here from the picture of Amazon that it comes with. I am not a nail tech, so I can't give you exact names of everything, but if you slow it down and just replay this section right here, this is everything that it comes with. This is how it's packaged in two different bags. One bag had the PolyGel, the other bag had everything that you need to do your nails. As I opened it up, it really had a lot of things in it. I've only tried the PolyGel once, and I'm going to show you at the very end of this video how my nails came out. But I want to say this kit comes with everything that you need to do your nails. Once again, guys, I am saying I am not a nail tech, but somehow I managed to get it done. Check out my next video with the step-by-step on how I actually got this set done. Thank you. Goodbye.